Wait until the end of this video because I'm going to show you how to participate in the Solo XRP drop. This is going to be huge. Don't know what Sologenic is. Sologenic is a merging traditional finance and blockchain technology. The Sologenic ecosystem aims to make it effortless for crypto investors to exchange their assets and invest in different conventional financial instruments. The ecosystem aims to elaborate entry barriers for individuals and institutional crypto investors. Sologenic also allows them to trade on non-blockchain asset classes like stocks, ETFs, and commodities. It's really quite something. So something I'm looking forward to. If you go and download this app, right, let's find it, XUMM, download that, sign up. You have to deposit 10 XRP. So once you've deposited the 10 XRP, I've used KuCoin, and the maximum you can send from KuCoin to another exchange is 21. So I just chucked 21 in there, and I sent £5 back to my KuCoin exchange just to see if I could get some just to see if I can put my money in and then take my money out safely and cost efficiently. So that is a check. This is legit, and it allows me to reverse back into my KuCoin wallet if I want to. So next up, so this is how to participate in the Solo airdrop. You go on this website, gadget78.uk. You scroll down until you see Sologenic. You then scroll sideways till you see the trust line. You click the trust line, and then you ignore all this, scroll down here, click confirm. It'll prompt you to open it in the app, and then you just you clarify it, swipe it to the right, and then it'll be in your account if you've done it properly. So that's how to participate in the Solo airdrop on the XRP blockchain, which is an awesome asset. And this will, if you've got quite a bit of money in there, you'll get a few grand out of it. I'm also a part of the MinSwap Fizzo, where you will get more out of the MinSwap Fizzo. This one's just a quick one. I've been a part of the MinSwap Fizzo for 90 days, so a quarter of a year. So that one I'm going to get more out of, but this one I'm only going to be participating in for about 2 weeks. So a few grand for 2 weeks, and then the lockup period. Then I get them in January. That's in my eyes, that's gold. That's gold. So if you want to get a lot of money out of nothing, out of thin air, participate in airdrops, because that's how you're going to get a lot of money. All right, that's the end of the video. Peace out for now, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, if you are enjoying the content, and please be obliged to leave a comment in the description below and tell me your price predictions for Solo and where you think it can go. Also, price predictions for XRP, please, in the comment section below. I want to be hearing them, so write them down, write them in there. All right, take care.